If your engravings look muddy, inconsistent, or darker than you expected, and you keep adjusting power first, you might be doing it backwards. There's a correct order to dialing in laser settings, and most people don't start with the right one. Let me walk you through the sequence that will save you material and frustration. When people want darker engraves, most people, they'll instinctively increase that power because it feels logical. More power should mean darker engraving, right? But that often softens detail and it can create inconsistent burns. The issue isn't that you're adjusting settings, it's the order in which you're adjusting them. The correct sequence is focus first, speed second, power third, and interval last. Focus, speed, power, interval. If your focus is even slightly off, every other setting becomes unreliable. Think about times when you've got some warped material on the laser bed. That's going to affect the consistency. Any slight defocus is going to spread that energy. Make sure you confirm that focus before testing anything else. For this test, I locked power in at 60%. Same material, same interval. The only variable that I changed was speed. Fastest on the left, slowest on the right. Speed controls how long laser energy sits on the material. Slower speed means more energy per inch. Faster speed means less. Let's take a look at this test ladder. You'll see at 350 millimeters per second, that vertical line is lighter. At 300, it becomes more visible. At 250, it's really balanced. And at 200, you'll see darker and slightly heavier edges. You can see how the vertical strip becomes slightly heavier as the speed decreases. That's simply increased energy density. Only after you find the right speed range should you begin adjusting your power. You can start fine-tuning your contrast at that point in time, making small adjustments, but avoid stacking your higher power with slow speeds. If you increase your power before dialing in your speed, you're introducing unnecessary variables. Your line interval is refinement. It should not be your starting point. You're going to want tighter spacing to smooth out those fills, bringing those lines together closer. But this will not fix incorrect speed or focus. If you start with power, you're reacting. If you follow the correct order, you're testing. That difference is what creates consistency. I'll continue breaking down common setting mistakes in upcoming videos.